So grade 8, 2.4, I want to talk about multiplying rational numbers. So there are some rules for multiplying two rational numbers. First of all, the rule is if the sign of factors are the same, then the product is positive. So if the sign of two factors are the same, when I multiply things, then the product is positive. So when I multiply, if the sign of the two numbers is the same, then the product is positive. So for example, if I have positive 2 times positive 3, then I have positive 6. Okay, again, if I have negative 2 times negative 3, because the sign is the same, so I will still end up having positive 6. And then if the signs of the factor are different, the product is negative. So that is to say, if one product is positive, the other product is negative, it's negative. If one number is negative, the other is positive, it will end up having negative. So at this moment, if I have negative 2 times positive 3, then it's negative 6. Also, if I have positive 2 times negative 3, it also equals to negative 6. Okay, so I want to multiply them and write the answer in the simplest form. So to do this, I want to multiply 6 times 2 over 3. So when I simplify things, it becomes 6 times 2 over 3. So in general, I just divide it by 3. So 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, so for question B, negative 2 times 3 and 5 over 1. So becomes negative 2 times, okay, 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1 is 16. So then therefore, 5 on the top, 2 times 16, this is negative 32. So example 2, we have to multiply and then find each answer in the simplest form. So we want to multiply, so now negative times negative, they are same sign, so it becomes positive. And I have 3 times 1 and 5 times 4. So here I got 3 over 20. And then here I have different sign. So this is positive, this is negative. So different sign, this is also negative. So 5 times 12 and 12 times 5. In this case, I can simplify. So therefore, it becomes negative 1. Okay, so now we have to multiply negative times negative. And then so same sign becomes positive. So 5.2 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 5 is 25. So this is 26. So this is positive 26. So now I want to multiply negative 0.07 times 4.6. So to do this, what I want to do is actually determine the sign first. So this is negative and this is positive. So therefore this is negative. So 0.07, and since the previous are 0, so I'll start by 4.6 first. So 4.6, 0.07, do multiplication. So 7 times 6, 7 times 4. And then I got 3 digits. 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digit. So 1, 2, 3, 3-digit, 0.322. So here negative 0.07 times 4.6 is 0.322. And then, for example, 4, Andrew walks his dog 1/8 miles each day. So what is the total distance that Andrew walks his dog in a 5-day week? So every day you do 1/8 mile. So every day you do 1/8 mile and times 5 days. So multiply 5/8. So then therefore, Andrew walks 5/8 miles in a 5-day week. So then, after we finish this, let's do think and discuss.